Time for a durability test. Right off the bat, I'm going to show you what a knife does to this coating. So nothing is the point. So let's see what else we can do. Piece of scrap metal, some bricks. Work a shovel a little bit. You can see quite a bit of scuff marks in here. I don't know how much that has gone through the coating, or it's maybe just scuffed on top. So I'm going to rinse it with water. Well, it's going to take a while to dry, but you can see places like this, it definitely went through the coating. Get a little better look from up here. Yeah, it got scratched up pretty good with not a whole lot of use. So I don't know. Is it worth it? Yeah, probably. I mean, you could touch that stuff up really easy for not a lot of money, and it still looks way better than it did, and it was like $50 to do this whole truck. But it doesn't hold up. That's disappointing.